Today, I'd like to tell you about our new black exterior 150 series new construction window. I'm going to walk you through some of the different features and benefits of this new offering. First, the 150 series has long been one of the most popular new construction windows. The 150 series window has a true brick mold exterior frame perimeter with full welded sash and frame corners. The bottom sash tilts in for easy cleaning, and the slope sill design allows for water to run off easily when there is rain. The pre-punched nail fin makes installation as simple as possible, and the DP50 rating means you're getting one of the strongest, most durable windows on the market that will meet almost any building code. Second, the new black exterior color is the hottest trend in windows. In nearly every market, black exterior windows are the fastest growing color trend you will find. Finally, our black exterior is achieved with vinyl cladding. This is not a painted product. The black cladding is far superior to paint because it provides a consistent finish every time, is more durable than paint, and is far less subject to imperfections in the manufacturing process.